All right, let's look at the homework 2.2, problem number 2. All right, so we have the graph of g is given, and we want to answer these questions. All right, so let's look at part A. Limit of g of x as x approaches a does not exist, but the g of a is defined. All right, so you can see that when you have left-hand limit and the right-hand limit do not agree with each other, so limit does not exist at 2. But looks like at 2, function is not defined, so this is not it. And another point would be 4. So left-hand limit and the right-hand limit do not agree with each other. But you can see that g of a, g of 4 is defined. So a equals 4 is the answer for part A. All right. Then it says that g of x exists, but sorry, not g of a does not exist. The limit of g of x as x approaches a exists, right? So this is the point here. If you look at this point at x equals 5 here, right, you can see that the tendency is there. So that's going to be that point. So the limit exists. But you can see that at the x equals 5, there is no graph. So we know that a equals 5 is the answer for part B. All right, how about part C? All right, we look at the left-hand limit and right-hand limit both exist, but the two-sided limit does not exist. Right, like 2, that's happening here, and also 4 happening here. And so that's it. So you have smaller value would be 2, right? So that's here, right? And so also at 4, right? And part D, right? So right-hand limit is equal to the function value, and left-hand limit is not equal, right? So you can see that right-hand limit is same as the function value. Left-hand limit is different from the function value. So this is happening at 4, right? All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got all 4 parts correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.